Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the second part of st.write function in streamlit. So in the previous video we discussed how to make columns and many properties. If you haven't seen that, you will find the whole playlist link in the description. And if you don't know how to run streamlit in Google Colab, so you can watch my first tutorial of the playlist. The link will be in the description. Okay, so in this video I am going to show you how can you use matplotlib in streamlit. So you can see that we have already imported streamlit as st. We have imported numpy because we have to generate numbers, and for the plotting we have imported matplotlib.pyplot as plt. So first of all we will create random numbers. That's why I am calling np.random.normal. We are taking three parameters. The first parameter is for normal average mean, one is standard deviation, and we will take size as 100. Let's say 100. You can take according to your wish. Okay, we have to now create two more variable for plotting for x-axis and y-axis. The first one is x and fig and x, and we will call plt dot subplots. Okay guys, after that we wanna make histogram actually. So we have to call ax dot hist. In the hist we have to pass the variable that we randomly generated here in y. In this position, if you print st dot, I wanna show you what is actually happening now. If you run, you can see we have generated 100 random values actually. You can see here. So we are going to plot this. Okay, in the hist we have to pass the y and beans equal, let's say 10. Now at the last we have to pass it through the st.write. In the right we have to pass the fig. Now if you refresh, you will see the histogram. We plotted 10 actually. You can change it here. If you change it here, you will see the difference. It was 10 and now it is 15. Okay, you can also change this. Let's take it as 500 and refresh it. So this is all guys. This is how you can make histogram and plot histogram in streamlit. I will provide this code in the description box. So if you are new to my channel, please make sure that you have subscribed. Thank you guys.